Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Web Designing Hybrid video series. To this video series, you can learn web designing based coding as by a recorded session. Then after you can solve your questions in our physical sessions. Therefore, you can easily learn this content by watching this video anytime from any part of the world. As convenient. No need to join with the live session in a relevant time. Therefore, freely you can follow this video, and then after, if you have any doubt, you can use our WhatsApp group, official WhatsApp group as well. In the live session, in the physical lecture, you can solve your questions if you have any doubt. As well, due to this recorded session, you can follow this multiple times till you get the idea of this coding. Okay, we have already discussed about several types of coding, basic codings related to HTML. Therefore, today we are going to discuss about vertical align. Actually, we know that when we are creating a website, we already discussed about horizontal align. If you can remember it, we align horizontally a text using align attribute within the p tag. Align is the attribute. We used values as center, justify, right, and also left, right, center, and justify. With this coding, you will learn how to create text to align vertically. Vertically mean this side, bottom to top. Horizontally mean left to right. In here you can see a table. In this table you can see that in the first text it is aligned to top, next one to middle, last one to bottom. In the last one, third one has aligned to bottom as well. You can see the fourth one is also as the first one. Let's see what's the difference of them. Actually, we can use this point when we are creating a website, official website using tables. Therefore, according to our requirement, we will have to align our content, text or images. Also regarding the vertical side, just like in horizontal aligning, we will have to align these according to the our requirement, also for the vertical side. Okay, let's see the coding. As well, you can take down this as a note. You can pause this video and you can take down this. As well, if you have activated YouTube package, standard YouTube package in your data connection, totally free, you can use this video. As well, if required, you can download using required method, which you know. Okay, now we can see the coding by typing Ctrl plus U. It's the shortcut key. Okay, you can see the coding related to the website. Just like in our live sessions, what you want to do is first you can take down this table with the title of vertical align, otherwise V align. Then after you can take down the coding by following this screen. This is the starting tag of HTML. Then after head, then after title, V align, and then after this the end of head tag. Then after the start of body tag, and within the body tag we can see table tag, table with 100%. 100% mean it will be get the width of the container. In here it will get the width of the browser. Then after table ID is table, border 1, TRTD. We can see 4 rows, therefore 4 TRs. To add this cell, we have added TD within the TR tag. Then height is 100 pixels. Otherwise, you cannot see this aligning, because otherwise it will get the height of the text. If we didn't add this 100 attribute, height attribute, it will get the size of the text. By default, it will get the size of the text. If we didn't add this 100 or any other or other way, the height attribute is 100 mean from pixels, then after we align top, if you are at the top, we align top at top value regarding the V align attribute. If we add the top value as the parameter for the V align, we can see that we can see the first output, first row's output in here in regarding a second one, middle, then after third one, bottom, V-align bottom. Then with the V-align bottom, you can see this type of output. As well in here, baseline. Baseline means it is like just like that justify. We know that if we justify the text, if there is no a long content, it will be shows as the left line. Just like in here also, you can see baseline mean if it is in the short form, it will be we can see it will like it is like top line. Okay, these are the V align. This is the V align attribute and values which you can use. V align top, middle, bottom, and baseline. As well with this coding, you can remember align attribute. Align attribute is for horizontal lining. You can remember the parameters which you used, parameter values, left align, center line, right align, and justify. As well, we can use V align attribute with these values, top, middle, bottom, and baseline. As well, in the lab session, you can do the practical related to this by getting the idea through this video. Okay, guys, I hope to see you again with the new video, with new practical based video. Till we meet again with the new video. Have a nice day to all of you. As well, if you have any doubt regarding this coding, you can drop me a message, WhatsApp message through your official WhatsApp group with the screenshot. Then I'll try to give a solution to it. As well, in your physical lectures, you can solve your any type of question. Okay, guys, I'll stop the video from here. Hope to see you again with another video. Thank you very much.